Welcome back to Onif TV. We dey on top the issue of Kaduna State. You know, say for Kaduna State, everywhere they hot for Kaduna State. I know, say of recent now, some kidnappers and kidnap some students for that place. We say everywhere don't become young pepper scatter. And you know, say of recent, the people they accuse if I say in command in one child from public school. We say everyone they talk say some one government don't do something we say never happened before. Not long after here, wait till we see we say some bandits they come raid some schools, they come gather those students. When they come ask Erufai about the issue of bandits, waiting in they talk, waiting in they do on top the issue of bandits. He talk say then they conquer bandits, say bandits don't reduce. I always see this man talk better too. He talk say bandits don't reduce. He talk say in fact the way those people they operate now they say he no reach the way we say in day before say don't they kill them. In case you never hear the video of waiting Erufai talk on top the issue of bandits, we say they happen for Kaduna State. We watch out.
Gradually, but there has been a lot of degradation of the bandits. I assure you, Helen, we are killing them, we are wiping out their camps, and the military and the Air Force particularly and the Nigerian Army with special forces have been doing a great job. Many people don't know how many attempted kidnappings.
Now what's the Erufai talk now? He be that. He talk say bandits don't they reduce. As you think he talk say they reduce. More imagine. They reduce and then they operate successfully for Kaduna State. They operate at 1 a.m. They carry bike, carry everything, come gather babies. And no security personnel stop them even for 1 second. Now he make our President Muhammadu Buhari the only man who say they always mind the business for this country. He go talk one thing, he talk say make all the security personnel for this country, make them charge job, make everybody gather themselves, everybody go carry gun, carry cutlass, carry everything. Make them enter bush, enter forest, go rescue those students. Now waiting President Muhammadu to President talk that say he give them some days, he give them some hours, say make them go inside forest, go rescue those students. On us, nothing should happen to those students. How those soldiers want to do, how those security personnel want to do, nobody knows. You know, talk say due to the tactics, say I cheat you to fight bandits. So make you use one after everything to fight those bandits and bring back those students home safely. Everywhere don't hot for Kaduna State now. People they cry. Because they feel like say the issue of kidnapping now don't they become regular basis for Kaduna State. And they tell you. And we don't know what's going to happen for Kaduna State and the man never do anything on top of the issue. And waiting happen to Kaduna State, and be that I'm waiting our president talk on top of the issue. And be that so very soon, as for waiting our president talk, say all the security personnel go enter forest and make sure say they rescue those students. And you know say this man he no go pay bandits at all. He no go pay them any shishi. Now I want to say in own child, no they there, he no go pay anything. Officer in command in own child. Okay, what about those people where they say they don't get money to command their child? What's going to happen? I mean, make I see you in my next edition. Thank you.